you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, boys, we are actually going to be fitting a tracker to my car today. Oh, I mean, my car today. Ew, get it? Because my car's trash, you know. Funny jokes with Michael. Happy days. Oh, Jesus. Alright then, boys, this isn't no secret. This car is limited edition. Fam, it says it on the badge right there. So yeah, quite literally, because this is a limited edition Corsa, you know, it costs roughly around £469,000. So pretty damn expensive, huh? So basically, I hit up this car tracking company called CARLOCK. I'll show you guys the company in just a second, but they have actually sent me out 2 car trackers for today's video because this Corsa is so high-end that you need 2. And I thought I'd be even more clever and show everyone where I put the trackers in my car. So yeah, pretty smart of me. You know, the car thieves are giving me the seductive face right now, so I wanted to make this video mainly for you guys in a way, because you know what, I have a Corsa. You know, if people want to steal the car, it goes 0 to 60 in about 2 years, and it will blow up past 50, trust me. Before we actually go any further in today's video, real quickly, I'm just gonna literally take 10 seconds of your time. My Ricer Boys merch has all come back in stock, the lanyards, key rings, and also a sticker. So if you guys would want to cop one now, because they probably will sell out. The last batch sold out within 23 hours, so cop one while you can. There is like a month or 2 waiting, you know, for them to get back in stock. But yeah, thanks for your time. Let's actually quickly unbox this bad boy. Right then, boys, let's fucking... Jesus, there we go, that's nice. Look at these boxes! They're so cute! They're so cute! Oh my god, they're tiny! Oh, that is so cute! This is the company that I actually got in touch with, and they actually sent me out, which was really nice of them, 2 of their trackers. So we have got an OBD tracker, which just plugs into your OBD port, and then they also sent out, which I actually asked for, is their CARLOCK Basic, which is actually their tracker that connects to the battery, which I quite like because it's obviously in the engine bay. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Let's actually quickly get inside this box. Oh my god. Oh my god. This literally looks like a key for the Russian government, their password for their plasma cannon that they're going to use to blow up the bloody moon. Like, what? That looks mad ting, that does. So there's the OBD reader. Got CARLOCK logo there, but pretty discreet, you know. It's all black, except for that logo, of course. Here's the one that I'm most excited for, because this is one that I'd prefer. And here it is. There is the CARLOCK Basic one, which is this will connect to your battery terminals, and it will just feed off your battery. So then, as you guys saw, we have actually got the 2 CARLOCKs right here. We've got the OBD one, and then we've got the battery hardwired one. So happy days. This honestly, that looks like an octopus or something. All those, look at that. So yeah, this one is going to be the hardest to install, purely just because you know, I've never installed something to the battery, as in like connecting it to the battery. So we'll do that together. We'll do it together. For the next 5 minutes, I tried installing the OBD tracker, and basically it didn't go in. Okay, alright, so I actually did run into one problem installing this, and that is purely because of my Vauxhall Corsa. Pretty much the unit don't actually fit under there, you know, little bit annoying, but we've actually got the OBD extender anyway. And we're going to pop that like under there. I'm going to try and hide it behind this dashboard. But yeah, the extender's quite handy, and then you can literally just go pop that in there, and then there you go. Now we've got a tracker in the car. So we've got one more tracker to install, and it's right here. And literally, this tracker is, you know, trackers on my Vauxhall Corsa is about as good as sticking a tracker to your mum's recycling bin. Literally useless, but obviously this is my pride and joy, you know. So we are going to actually have to open the engine bay like this. Voila, basically a mechanic now, certified. Alright then, so right over here is actually the battery for the Corsa, literally. So this is the little twiddly thing, the positive and negative charge here. So what we have to do is we have to connect, you know, the positive and negative up to the positive and negative on the battery. Hey, come on, I'm not that retarded. Literally, here is the battery for the Corsas. We're actually probably going to have to take this off because obviously there's the negative battery or terminal, and then there's the positive one. But we'll actually disconnect the battery so we can have a little play around with it. Maybe stick my tongue on it or something. Happy days. connected the negative terminal for the battery and I've just shoved it down here, you know, away from any metal or anything. And then there's the positive terminal. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to like completely disconnect it. I'm not 100% sure. What I've actually decided to do is, I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, that will actually clamp down, and that is the only kind of place that I can put it. Because obviously it won't fit around here. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna put it there, because I think that will be a good point, because it's all metal, so it should conduct the electricity, and it shouldn't cause any problems. And then I'm going to do the same on the positive terminal, I think. If my family see this and I've died, just make my death sound a bit cooler. I don't know, say I was doing 200 down the like Tesco car park and I crashed into an old lady or something, you know. Make it sound cool or something. Maybe not an old lady, maybe like a fucking sheep or something, I don't care. Right then, positive is connected up, as you guys can see, literally. Hopefully that is gonna, you know, start working soon. So once we connect the negative battery, hopefully this will all come together and it will start blinking, basically. Honestly, in today's video, I've been a certified mechanic, certified weightlifter, and certified electrician. Come on. Alright then boys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's actually blinking right now, so that means it is now active. Okay, it's now stuck on there, and you know what? I don't mind all the wires running everywhere, basically, because you know what? I might have hybrid turbos. You know, this is a hybrid turbo, this is the turbo. You know, I've got 2 turbos basically, fam. But literally, I don't mind too much because it's not that pretty of an engine bay anyway. I do need to do another clean on it. Getting a little bit dusty now, but so yeah, pretty much I just got rid of my old black box insurance and I basically got another one. So basically, this actually tracks your speed and everything. And it has this thing called teenager mode, where literally if you brake hard or something, it will send a notification to your phone. What have I done? What have I done? Oh my god, it is so fucking hot today. Literally, if you guys notice, my energy levels dropping in each and every video. It's just getting hotter and hotter because of this merch dropping. Oh my god, Ricer Boys, I can't, it's too hot to even get it. Link in description, Ricer Boys lanyards, go cop them. Fucking hell, it's too hot. So, we've got the OBD CARLOCK tracker here right now. And we've also got the one in the engine bay. I've actually activated all of them, so they're all connected to my phone right now. Obviously, I will quickly drive somewhere so that I'm not right outside my house, and then I can demonstrate some of the things it can do. Without further ado, let's go and drive. Alright then, so we're now in the car and we've turned it on. The OBD one is working and also the battery one's working. So I'm going to drive somewhere just to show you guys what this can all do. But literally it has these cool features, like it can tell you your speed, it can tell you your driving score, like a bloody black box. And it gives you all of these cool little details, like how many trips you've been on, how many kilometers you've done, what time it is. Yeah, your driving school is quite cool, you know. So obviously, what's quite cool about having your speed is, let's say you give your car to your mate, or you give your car to your mum or brother, sister, I don't care. Your cat, your dog, I don't care. If you give your car to them, you can literally see how they're driving, and obviously you want to see how they're driving, because if they're thrashing your car, don't let that bitch in your car again. Like my mum, she literally stays in first gear until about 30 miles per hour in my car. Right, so we pulled up in our little spot that we always do videos, literally. We've just done a little trip from my house to this little location right now, and it literally has shown me the route I've taken. Yeah, literally tells you stuff like your top speed. I only went 34 coming here. What? Obviously it tells you the time and all of this cool details, you know. Top speed, average speed, trips that I've done right now. What a saying! That is a dirty car. This is a spy. This ain't no tracker. This is bloody spy. You are basically hiring an FBI agent for this. Like, no joke. So obviously, here is my car right now. What we can do is, let's say we're going on a business trip or something. We can click this lock button, and if my car leaves that area, my phone will basically go berserk and be like, bitch, your car's gone. So yeah, that's quite good. Okay, alright then, as you guys can see, the car is now moving. I think it updates like every, I don't know, 5 seconds or something, the car moving. Hello, senor! Hello! Right then, it is a couple days later. I'm gonna switch back to my old self in just a second, but literally, I've been using the trackers for the past like 3 days or something, and honestly, you know, they are very nicely hidden, boys. Like literally, let me show you guys. Obviously, one's in the engine bay like you guys saw, and the second one is there. So, if you steal my car, you guys know where it's going to be, so fucking happy days. But yeah, obviously I've been messing around with the trackers for a little bit, and literally the app is so damn precise. I mean, literally it will tell you what address you're at. Fam, I should bring this to the desert, and like literally I could be like, hello, can you come pick me up? Another thing that's really cool about this app is it will literally navigate you to your car. So if you are parked in a massive car park and you've obviously forgotten where you parked, this will send the exact GPS location to Google Maps, and then Google Maps will actually navigate you using the compass on your phone to your car. But obviously this is a tracker. If you are buying this tracker expecting it to be able to spy laser, don't buy it. But yeah, obviously, let's say your car gets stolen and hopefully, or luckily, the car thief doesn't find the tracker, let's say, or you know exactly where that car is going and where it is heading. And then you can pass that on, that information on to the police, and they can track it and they can help you pull it over and stuff. No matter how much money you spend on trackers, a car thief, if they look thorough enough and if they know what they're doing, they're gonna find it. Very happy with this tracker. Obviously it does what it says on their bloody tin, mate. It's like baked beans. But yeah, that is unfortunately the end of today's video. I'm gonna switch back to my future self. Oh, my past self. There you go, later. Thanks for all the support on the recent videos. Appreciate it. Bye. I'm gonna go have a wank now, so see ya. So yeah, pretty much that is it for the car lock. I mean, there's not much more than I can say. Then obviously it does quite a bit. So yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Literally, thank you CARLOCK for sending them out. There'll be a link in the description to that. Honestly, beautiful spy device. Honestly, it's so much more worth it to get a tracker before your car gets stolen than after it gets stolen. You know, you'll be like, excuse me, criminal who stole my car, can I just fit a tracker to it firstly? So always get a tracker, like just get one right now. Literally they're about £50, and then there's like a £5 monthly fee. And if you think about it, that's £5 a monthly fee. But if your car was to get stolen, you'd find it pretty much, unless the criminal was good and he took it out. Or not good, but smart enough to, you know, look for trackers and stuff. But yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new. We are on the way to 50,000 subscribers. Also go follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff, and also last but not least, go check out the Ricer Boys merch, because we have actually got them all back in stock. Don't know how fast they're going to sell out, but so yeah guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you lovely pieces in my next video. What?